Enough crew. Our bounties are 2 Imperial officers and a pirate. Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Right pilot, make the jump to hyperspace and go up.
Okay, kid. I'm going to tell you. This is the way.
Wait, we gotta go up, we gotta go up! Shoot him, shoot him, shoot him! Where is he going? He's going this way. Oh! Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down! Oh! There he is over there! I see you!
Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said, don't touch. BeSpin, Coruscant, right engineer. Pick a destination. Fast.
There you go.
Coruscant, let's head out. Grogu, buckle up. Watch out for those power couplings.
Like, go up, go up, go up! Go up, go up, go up! Whoa!
Nice catch, kid. Good work, kid. You're quite the bounty hunter.
Unloading crates now. Ah, respectable haul. To the right buyer, we can fetch a very good price.
Good work, crew. Grogu and I will hand over the Imperial officer to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.